Обращаем ваше внимание, что в течение всего полета запрещено употребление алкогольных напитков, кроме предложенных на борту, а также курение, в том числе электронных сигарет. Туалетные комнаты оборудованы детекторами дыма. Дамы и господа, на время взлета мы выключаем основное освещение. Вы можете осветиться лампочкой индивидуального освещения. Благодарим за внимание. Ladies and gentlemen, to prepare for takeoff, please place hand luggage in the overhead bin or on the seat in front of you. Fasten your seatbelt. Return your seat to the right positions to the table open you with the blind. Please ensure your mobile phones and the other electronic devices are turned to the flight mode or switch off. For your safety, larger electronic devices such as laptops must be put away into your hand luggage for takeoff and landing. As directed by the crew, if necessary, all electronic devices must be turned off. Please note that consumption of alcohol for both is strictly prohibited, as well as smoking of any kind, including electronic cigarettes. All lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors. Ladies and gentlemen, the cabin lights are dimming for takeoff. You may use your critical